Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for RV owners and enthusiasts alike, the liquid rubber RV Lap Sealant. If you're looking for the best RV lap sealant on the market, look no further. Let's get into why this product stands out. The liquid rubber RV lap sealant is designed with durability and flexibility in mind. It boasts over 300% elongation, which means it can handle thermal expansion and won't crack under pressure. This is crucial for maintaining a watertight seal on your RV roof, especially with varying weather conditions. It stretches over 300%, making it highly resistant to cracking from thermal cycling. It's UV stable, so it won't degrade or break down when exposed to the sun, ensuring long-lasting protection. You can apply it easily with a brush, roller, or high-quality paint sprayer. Plus, it doesn't have a limited pot life, so you can use leftover material later. When applying the liquid rubber RV lap sealant, make sure the surface is clean and dry. Apply a smooth, steady bead and, if desired, you can tool it off for a more finished look. Each 10-ounce tube covers approximately 25 linear feet with a bead size of 1 by 4 inch by 1 by 4 inch. Not just for RVs, Liquid Rubber manufactures products for a wide range of applications. From waterproofing flat roofs and metal roofs to sealing foundations, ponds, and more. It's a brand trusted for its quality and reliability. So, why should you choose the Liquid Rubber RV Lap Sealant? It's simple. It offers superior flexibility, durability, and ease of application compared to traditional sealants. Whether you're a seasoned RV owner or just starting out, having a reliable sealant like this can prevent costly repairs down the road. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for an RV lap sealant that ticks all the boxes: flexibility, durability, and ease of use, the Liquid Rubber RV Lap Sealant is definitely worth considering. It's designed to withstand the rigors of RV life and provide long-lasting protection. For more information or to get your hands on this product, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. See you next time.